Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your server name on Discord, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your server name on Discord, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server for which you want to change the name. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to click the server name at the top. And after clicking it, I want you to go to the server settings right here. And once you're on your server settings, I want you to make sure that you are on the overview section. So here in the overview section is where you can manage and customize your Discord server, such as changing the profile picture and the name of your server. So to change your server name here, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you can now see your server name right here, so you can now change it to the new server name that you want. And once you're done entering your new server name, you can now click Save Changes. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully changed the name of your Discord server. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.